Bay Area voters loved the bay enough to fund $25 million a year to help restore wetlands. The money comes from a $12 parcel tax on homeowners in all 9 Bay Area counties. Taxpayers approved Measure AA by a 70% margin in 2016. It's being spent on things like restoring the salt ponds in the South Bay. The money helped restore Montezuma Slough in the North Bay, along with 1,600 acres that's going to return to nature near Belmarin Keys in Marin County. This is all part of the largest urban climate adaptation in the country.
The Bay is the defining thing that makes this the San Francisco Bay Area, and people love it, and that's why they voted to restore it. In the era of rising seas, restoring San Francisco Bay, restoring our marshes around the edge of the bay is part of the strategy for adapting to climate change and protecting our communities against sea level rise.
By placing Measure AA on the ballot, the San Francisco Bay Restoration Authority is now able to deliver funding to projects that will grow the region's tidal wetlands needed to adapt to climate change. The authority and its partners hope to return the Bay to a much more pristine ecosystem than we've seen in our lifetime.
I think 20 years from now, the Bay will look very different. There'll be a lot more wetlands and a lot more wildlife.